Experience luxury, comfort, and sophistication like never before with the all-new 2025 Toyota Alphard. This isn't just a minivan, it's a statement of elegance and cutting-edge innovation. Whether you're looking for a family vehicle that offers unparalleled comfort or an executive-level travel experience, the Alphard is designed to exceed your expectations. Let's dive in and discover what makes this luxurious ride truly exceptional. If you're excited to explore the 2025 Toyota Alphard, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars and automotive trends. We bring you detailed reviews, comparisons, and the latest news in the automotive world. Your support helps us create more high-quality content just for you. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Toyota Alphard exudes a bold and sophisticated design that instantly captures attention. The front end features a striking grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add to its modern, upscale appearance. The sculpted lines and aerodynamic profile give the Alphard a dynamic presence, while the chrome accents add a touch of elegance. From the side, the Alphard's high ground clearance and stylish 18-inch alloy wheels underscore its premium status. The power sliding doors offer convenience and a touch of sophistication, making every entry and exit smooth and effortless. The rear end is equally impressive, featuring LED taillights and a refined bumper that reflects its luxurious character. Interior features and comfort. Step inside the 2025 Alphard, and you'll be greeted by a spacious, opulent cabin designed with the finest materials and attention to detail. The interior features plush leather seating, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting that create a serene and elegant atmosphere. The front seats are power adjustable, heated, and ventilated, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passenger. The second row seats are equally luxurious, with captain's chairs that offer reclining functionality, ottomans, and even massage options. The spacious third row ensures that all passengers enjoy ample legroom and comfort. The Alphard's versatile seating arrangements make it perfect for both family trips and executive travel. Dual-zone climate control, rear air vents, and a panoramic sunroof enhance the overall comfort and ambiance. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Alphard is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to keep you connected and entertained. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The system is intuitive and responsive, providing easy access to navigation, music, and hands-free calls. For audiophiles, the Alphard comes with a premium JBL sound system that delivers crisp and immersive audio throughout the cabin. Additional tech features include multiple USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and a digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information at a glance. The advanced GPS navigation system ensures you stay on track during your journeys, while the rear seat entertainment system keeps passengers entertained with dual screens and wireless headphones. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Alphard is powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 296 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The combination ensures a powerful yet efficient driving experience, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. The Alphard's advanced suspension system is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and ensuring stability. The vehicle's noise insulation is top-notch, creating a quiet and serene cabin environment even at high speeds. The Alphard's all-wheel drive (AWD) system enhances traction and stability, making it perfect for various driving conditions. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Alphard comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety systems include Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The Alphard also features a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. Additionally, the Alphard offers advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. The robust construction and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection for all occupants. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in every aspect of the Alphard, making it a reliable choice for families and executives alike. Trim levels and customization. The 2025 Toyota Alphard is available in several trim levels, each offering a unique set of features and customization options. From the base model with essential features to the top-tier executive lounge trim with luxury and advanced tech, there's an Alphard for every discerning driver. Customization options include various exterior colors, interior trims, and accessory packages, allowing you to personalize the Alphard to match your style and needs. Available options include premium leather seating, enhanced audio systems, and advanced driver assistance packages. Toyota also offers a range of genuine accessories, such as roof racks, tow bars, and protective mats, to further tailor the Alphard to your lifestyle. In conclusion, the all-new 2025 Toyota Alphard redefines luxury and comfort in a minivan. Its bold design, advanced features, and powerful performance make it a standout choice for those seeking the ultimate driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long journeys, the Alphard promises to deliver unmatched sophistication and convenience. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Alphard and which features you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, drive in luxury and style.